Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming basics. Battery above 20% and power saving off because low power modes disable radios. Once done, open Quick Settings and toggle airplane mode for 10 seconds, then disable it to reset radios. Next, try the Wi-Fi toggle. If it's grayed out, perform a soft restart. You do this to refresh system services without losing data. It often brings the Wi-Fi stack back online. Now move on to deeper settings if the toggle still fails. Now you reset the network stack because corrupted settings often block Wi-Fi. Go to Settings System, Reset Options, Reset Wi-Fi, Mobile, and Bluetooth. This clears config conflicts. Next, clear cache for the Wi-Fi service or System UI under Apps to remove corrupted temporary files. Make sure to check for Android updates, manufacturers patch driver bugs. If uncertain whether a third-party app breaks Wi-Fi, reboot into safe mode and test the toggle. If it works in safe mode, an app caused the issue. If software fixes fail, back up your data and perform a factory reset. You do this because it restores stock firmware and settings that resolve deep corruption. Once reset, test Wi-Fi before reinstalling apps. Also inspect the device for drops or water damage that can break the antenna. Physical faults need repair. If problems remain, contact the manufacturer or an authorized repair service. Quick troubleshooting tip. If the toggle still fails after reset, the issue is most likely hardware. Seek
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.